Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, how's life with you? I hope you are great. Today, inshallah, we are going to discuss Unit 1, Lesson 3. If you want to boost your immune system and stay healthy, watch this video. Okay, what can you see in this image? Yes, it's the orange one is a virus. And what are these? These are cells are sent by the immune system to protect us against this virus. Let's discuss some vocab. Boost means help someone or something to improve or get better. Cell, the smallest separate part of a plant or animal. Immune system, a way that your body protects you from disease. immunize بالاس هنا تبقى بريتش والزي تبقى امريكان وboth are pronounced immunize to give a person or an animal protection against a particular disease. Persuade to make someone do or believe something by giving them good reason to do it. The adjective is persuasive, making you want to do or believe a particular thing. Organ, it British and organ American. It means a part of your body that performs a job, for example, the brain or heart. Virus, a very small thing that causes disease. Now, my dear students, listen to an explanation of the immune system. What does the immune system fight? Listen carefully and lend me your ears.
Student's Book, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Exercise 1. Listen to an explanation of the immune system. What does the immune system fight?
Our organs are the parts of our bodies that help us to do things, like the brain that thinks, or the heart that sends blood around our bodies. The immune system comes from the cells and organs that work together to protect us from diseases. The immune system does this by destroying things that get into our bodies, like viruses. A virus is a very, very small thing that causes a disease. The disease could be something ordinary, like the kind of cold we all get sometimes. Or it could be something serious, like COVID-19, which first appeared at the end of 2019. When a virus gets into a part of the body, a message is sent to the immune system. Then the immune system reacts by sending cells to find the virus. Cells are the smallest separate living things in our bodies, and they are small enough to fight against a disease. Some people's immune systems work better than other people's. We all want our immune systems to be strong so we can stay healthy. So what can we do to help? We can boost our immune system by eating a lot of fruit and vegetables, especially vegetables with green leaves. We also need to exercise regularly. We don't have to run 50 kilometers every day, but we need to be as active as possible. We also need to make sure that we get enough sleep. For most people, that means at least 7 hours every night. Finally, we must do things like washing our hands regularly, which will help us to avoid getting a virus or an infection in the first place. We also need to do things like covering our mouths when we cough to stop other people getting an infection or virus.
Okay, my dear students, I hope you do these precautionary measures. It's so valuable to do it and to protect us from this virus. Now, my students, you are going to say if this sentence true or false. Okay, take your time and you can stop the video and answer the following sentences. The immune system can react when there is a virus in the body. Is it true or false? Number two, COVID-19 first appeared at the end of 2020. Yes, I hear someone 2019, that's right. The immune system, of course, Number 3, people with a strong immune system get ill more often. Oh, I hear someone say no. Eating vegetables with green leaves helps you our immune system, as you see in the photo. These are vegetables that dark green leaves. Okay, we have to run a lot every day to help our immune system. The last one, if you get enough sleep, our immune system will work better. Take your time and answer this question. Say true or false and correct the false one. After that, you can check your answer. Okay, you are correct. Okay, let's go. My dear students, your friend regularly, this is the situations. What should you do? What should you say if your friend regularly gets a cold or a cough? He or she eats a lot of fast food and doesn't eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Of course, we see that a lot. He or she also spends a lot of time playing video games and doesn't go outside very often. Because he or she plays a lot of video games, he or she has often stays up late and then finds it hard to get up for school. What should you say to him? What should you advise him? Okay, here you must eat less fast food. Our immune system works better if you eat healthy food like fruit and vegetable. Great, this is what you have, and this is a suggested answer. Tell your partner how to boost his or her immune system. Eat more fruit and vegetables, especially vegetables, as you see in the picture, in the photo. But especially vegetable with green leaves. Okay, what can you see in the second pictures? Oh, they are playing, they are practicing sports, they are healthy family. So you have to be more active, more active. The last one, what's see? Yes, sleep well, be well. So you have to get more sleep. Someone في بعض الطلبة يقول لك أنا مطبق، يعني إيه مطبق؟ يقول لك أنا ما نمتش. Is that good? And he is proud of that. No, it's not right. So it's not good for him. So you have to get more sleep, at least 7 hours a day. Okay. Okay, my dear students, let's see this. My therapist said I have a glass of water in the front of me. He asked if I was an optimist or a pessimist. So I drank the water and told him I was a problem solver. You see in the background, what can you see? Yes, it's a glass, half full glass of water. اوكي سو هنا الثيرابيست المعالج النفسي بيقول عشان الاساس ان هو لو قال له نصه فاضي يبقى ده بيسمست، قال له نصه مليان يبقى اوبتيمست. فهو فكر هنا اوت اوف ذا بوكس وعمل ايه؟ So I drank the water and told him I was a problem solver. حل المشكلة ان هو بيحل المشاكل. اوكي. Here my students, label the body with these words. Can you add any more words? Here you have 4 A, B, C, D on the photo, and you are asked to put or label these pictures. Here is one for you, brain. You have to put heart, lungs, muscles, and you are to put them. The second one, the second exercise, complete the sentence with the correct word. Boost cell immune system or organ virus. Number 1, A can make lots of people very ill. Number 2, the skin is the body's largest. The advertisement will really the number of toys the shop sell. Number 4, you can see of an onion using simple microscope. And the last one, a good diet can help to support your. Take your time, my dear students, and answer. Then check your answer. Okay. This is the answer: brain, muscles, heart, and a virus. Okay, go on. Now match the two parts of the sentence to make a complete sentence. We can boost our immune system by eating a lot of fruit and vegetables. Great. After that, you are asked to match these two parts of the sentence to make. Take your time also. It's valuable information to boost your immune system, and it's very important nowadays to overcome coronavirus. If you have finished, you can check your answer. Number 1E, 2C, 3F, 4B, 5D, 6E. We don't have to run 50 kilometers every day, but we have to be as active as possible. Number 3, we must also make sure that we get enough sleep. Number 5. Number 4, we must do things like washing our hands regularly. Washing our hands will help us to avoid getting a virus or an infection in the first place. The last one, we must also do things like covering our mouth when we cough. Here, my dear students, let's discuss some vocab and the other meaning of vocab. I said in the first slide that every word has many meanings, have several meanings, and you have to know the other meaning. For example, for this one, according to the law, no one is from legal punishment. No one is immune. No one is immune. Is here immune a verb or a noun? It's not a verb or a noun. It's an adjective. No one is immune from legal punishment. Number 2, the young man spent a night in a prison. Because of driving without a license. Here, it's another meaning for the word. Let's discuss it well. Cell, organ, box. Here in a prison, it's called a prison cell. يبقى ديت زنزانة في السجن. يبقى in a prison cell, another meaning. It's not a separate part of the smallest part in animal or human being. No. يبقى prison cell means يبقى زنزانة. Number 3, he was arrested because he joined a criminal. Another word, the meaning for the word cell. يبقى criminal cell ودي خلية إجرامية أو خلية إرهابية. يبقى he was arrested because he joined a criminal cell. It's a group of people. Number 4, the little baby up so that he can pick an apple from the branch. Rose, boosted, A and C. There is here we can confuse the posted هنا تفاخر ويتباهى with posted to get something improved or better. Take care of that. Here what I'm going to choose. Yes, that's right. I posted. It means raise the little boy up so that she can pick an apple from the branch. The last one, number 5, the newspaper Bravada, it's the name of the newspaper, is the social of the Communist Party. This is another meaning. It's a new one. Part, member, organ, player. Oh yes, it's another meaning for the word organ. Organs has 3 meanings. The first one is a body part. This is a common common meaning for the organ. The second is you have to know also a musical instrument. Organ means a musical instrument. The third one, and it's a newspaper published by an organization. So this newspaper published its rules of the organization or the party. Here's the newspaper Pravada. ده اسم الجريدة اللي is the social organ. السوشيال organ هنا يبقى دي الجريدة الرسمية للكوميونست بارت اللي هو حزب الشيوعي. فأي وفد أي حزب ممكن يصدر جريدة له وتنشر أفكاره يبقى بنسميها organ. يبقى organ is the official newspaper for this party or this government. Okay, يبقى this is the third meaning for يبقى every word has many meaning, so you have to know it, and there are many expressions with the word itself. Okay, I hope that was beneficial for you, my dear students. I hope you all the best and stay healthy forever. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.